Hello, and welcome to marketingvacationrentals.com. Are you looking to find a real business solution to marketing your vacation rental and drive more traffic to your property? Or do you want to find out how your competition is always more booked than you? We're helping vacation rental owners find answers to internet marketing questions like these and more with simple and effective tools we use every day. With over 15 years of online marketing, internet advertising, and vacation rental promotions, our existing online traffic generating network helps owners like you to take more bookings, get more online exposure, and boost your social media reach. Do you ever feel stuck and think that's all there is? With a limit to all the nights you're able to book and can't grow for whatever reason? It's time for real change and timely results. Unlocking the secret to increased bookings has helped many owners to expand their business, purchase additional vacation rental properties, quit their 9-to-5 job, and add financial security for their retirement needs. Staring at your calendar with all those empty nights can be frustrating, and knowing they actually represent potential future profit makes it even worse. Decreasing your unbooked nights is a top priority. Look, if you would like to break the constraints of the online travel agencies like VRBO, AirBnB, TripAdvisor, and etc., and the fees they charge hosts and guests, you definitely need to level up your business and boost your exposure online. Studies show most people online get stuck trying to crack the internet code for real sustainable online traffic. Many are standing from afar, watching a small group of people that have started and stuck with it to achieve measurable results. Most have spent many years grinding it out. But they started and have stuck with it. And that's the key. Year after year, posting here and posting there, or trying some magic search engine optimization trick, always leaves them flat, and that much farther behind. Always trying something new and unproven can lead to an agonizing loss of precious time. We not only instantly start marketing your vacation rental to our network, we will show you exactly what we did to build our active and targeted social media network, and also show you how we optimized our property websites to show on the first page of search engine results. Needless to say, the newly minted rushing competition is now going full throttle to take away even more available nights. All because the competition may have a better system of lower rates, online marketing, and/or vacation rental branding. Not being able to afford any more vacancies makes for an uncomfortable financial future. But with marketing and branding, and being where people are, you will be able to book more nights and eventually be able to raise your rates, making your bottom line grow and return to greater profits. Imagine being able to afford much-needed repairs or upgrades you may have been putting off. Or how about reinvesting newfound profits into your vacation rental to highlight additional upgrades or custom amenities? As a matter of fact, you can visit our marketing network right now and see other members taking bookings from guests seeking to book direct and saving real money on booking service fees in real time. Sign up and get started today with our super affordable intro rate available right now. We are dedicating our whole network to our paid subscribers, as we're only allowing a limited amount of members into our network at a cost that will never change as long as the member is in good standing. There's an old saying in marketing, and it goes something like this. It is said that 90% of your future guests do not know you exist. That is where we can help. We want to help you turn that number around and accelerate your outreach, growth, and branding. We will show and share with you how we built our vacation rental marketing network audience to over 380,000 people so you can start becoming successful today. We not only show you, but we are going to feature your rental on our large capacity network and on search engine optimized websites to promote, advertise, and market your vacation rental year-round. Plus, we will emphasize how to remarket wisely to past good guests you are familiar with, which can take a ton of pressure off from having to rely on the unknown guests and their unproven behavior. Receive all of our premium member benefits, knowledge, help, and tools you can use immediately to position and build your business to survive online. Working with our network of over 380,000 people and viewed by millions, you'll learn how to offset slow seasons, start raising your rates, and grow a thriving vacation rental business. We will teach you how to use search engine optimization and social media influence to your advantage. So if you're feeling a bit left behind and have dabbled in temporary marketing, spending hundreds or maybe even thousands of dollars for ads on social media or elsewhere online and did not achieve the results you were looking for, or having to resort to discounts and giveaways which can attract lowball, bottom-feeding and unproven guests, we want to welcome you to sign up and get started today. There is no better time than now to reach out and start enhancing your vacation rental business. Our team at marketingvacationrentals.com would like to welcome you to our active and growing marketing network. Until next time, remember to take action now for tomorrow, and we'll see you on the other side.